Cracked grout between pavers or tiles can totally mess up the look and even cause bigger problems like water damage if you don't fix it quick. So, first thing, you want to get rid of all that old cracked grout. Use a grout saw or a similar tool to carefully scrape it out without hurting the tiles or pavers. Next, clean the gaps really well, like no dust or debris left or the new grout won't stick right. Then, pick the right grout for your project. Sanded grout works best for wider joints, and unsanded is better for narrow ones. Mix it up according to the package instructions so it isn't too runny or too thick. Apply the new grout with a rubber float, pushing it firmly into the joints to fill every little crack. After that, wipe off excess grout with a damp sponge, but don't overdo it or you'll pull grout out of the joints. Let everything dry properly, usually about 24 hours before walking on or sealing it. Sealing your new grout will help keep it from cracking again and protect it from stains and moisture. One of the biggest mistakes with cracked grout repair is not removing all the old grout, which makes the new stuff peel right off. Always get all the damaged bits out first. Another common issue is using the wrong type of grout for your tile or paver joints. Choosing sanded versus unsanded grout based on joint size will save you headaches. Lastly, skipping the sealing step is a big no-no because unsealed grout absorbs water and dirt, leading to cracks and stains way faster. So don't forget to seal it once it's dry. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors for all their home fixes, including grout repair. Contractors also get a leg up there by connecting with people looking for their exact skills, making it easier to land jobs.